Hello friends, so this is a phone stand. You can put our phone like this and also like this. So it is quite stable. You can see I am moving it around on an uneven surface, still it is working. And second thing is it can be turned up and down and size of phone can be variable. Large size phone, tablet or anything can be kept on this. So this is not only a phone stand, this can connect to our mobile phones. So I will press this and you will see that it will start.
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
So it connects using Bluetooth. Let me see if I can connect using Bluetooth. And this has got a stereo speaker. So it has got very good bass. So if you put it on table, whole table will vibrate. Just like you have a good sound system. And due to stereo speaker, this will due to stereo speaker, this will, so I am connecting it to it, it will get connected. I am opening Bluetooth and I am connecting this with my phone. And you will see that it will get connected. Pair.
Connected.
Now it is connected. So whatever I play on it, so it has got volume button also. This is volume button. These two are volume buttons. This is to increase the volume. This is to lower down the volume. Then you can also suppose you want to call someone, you can press this button to call people. And it has got microphone also. So if my phone is in some other room, still I can talk using this. I can have a speaker chat with this without having phone nearby. So my phone is in my bag and I have this, I am listening to some music and someone calls me, I will just press this button and will have speaker chat and they can hear me, and this can be 10 feet away from this. Still I will be able to call someone. So now let me see if I have some video that I will play on it. Due to copyright and other things, I will try to show you some video that I made myself, because playing someone else's video may create some problem for my video. Let me see if I have some good video that your channel. There are many videos. So I created this video recently. No, I will not play this one. I will play some video which will like this one. So I am connected to it and using this volume button I will increase the volume. So I can put it like this and watch my video and increasing the volume. See, volume is getting increased and I will tell you if you test it, that will change the future of humanity. दोस्तों अभी कंप्यूटर विज्ञान में बहुत You can see the volume is coming. This is vibrating. If you have
आपके पास स्मार्टफोन है, अब किसी के पास फोन नहीं होता है, स्मार्टफोन होता है.
So if you have a stereo speaker, you can see that the voice coming is stereo. It has got two speakers and you can hear voice from left and right. And this is vibrated in such a nice way. If I touch it, this is my hand is vibrating. And we can reduce the volume as we need. Now I will press call button. Let me see if it calls someone. See, it has stopped. So there are many features in this. I can play and pause. So when someone will call me, then I can press this button to have voice communication. I am reducing volume so that my voice is heard. So if they see by pressing this, I can stop the video. By pressing it, I can resume the video. So you see that this is very. I am increasing the volume.
कॉमर्स के सब्जेक्ट में एग्जाम दिया तो फिर उन्होंने टॉप 10% 90% लोगों से ज़्यादा
Sound quality is very good.
पढ़ाई करके
You feel as if someone really speaking in front of you. That is the picture quality. Because of copyright, I am not showing some song and other things. So this is my own voice. In my previous videos, I talked about computer getting ahead in many fields. So you can see that. Let me see if there is some other video which can show you. I have around 200 or 300 videos like this one. See, there. Now I'm using the volume. So I can watch the video. इसमें कलर चेंज करने की ऑप्शन भी है और ये बहुत ही सुंदर लगता है. और ये आपके कमरे में you can connect it to mobile, you can connect it to TV, you can connect it to projector. क्योंकि जब पानी के संपर्क में आता है तो ये चीज होती है. So you can watch my previous videos if you want to see more details about this. So I will put it over here. Still
Power off.
so now I power it off because
Power on. Bluetooth mode.
so I hope now you have learned a lot about this thing. And there is a charging button here. You can see a charging button, so it can be charged using USB cable. And sound quality is very good. It can angle off. You can play it like this also. Suppose you connect it to TV and you are sitting very far away from TV. So you do not have to have TV in maximum volume. You can sit with this and hear TV in low volume. So only you will hear. So you have lower volume and sound will come only near you. However, you are watching TV from very far distance. So this is quite handy product. It cost me around rupees 3,000 to 4,000. If possible, I will provide you the link to buy this product. Company name is Jiteman. This is quite reliable product and looks very sturdy. And I purchased it because I found it has got very good ratings and it is quite strong, so your mobile phone will not fall out. And it can also support large tablets. You can connect to your laptop also. You can connect to your any device and have it and enjoy stereo sound. So I hope This product is of quite good quality, and my mother liked it very much. Suppose when I take it, she says, "Where is that? Where is that sound system? Bring it to me." And I gave it to my mother, and she watched TV using this because the sound quality is very clear. So if you are interested in this product, I will provide you the link to get this and watch my previous videos also to see nice things, products and technology and health related news that will make your life happy. Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe my channel so that my efforts to bring new products is successful. At least see that if I have less than 10 likes, we'll see how many likes are there. If likes are less than 10, at least make one little like so that at least I have more than 10 likes in every video. Thank you very much. I hope your support will help me make better videos. Thank you very much. To close this video, I will press this button. Now I have got action camera, so I can start and stop video without going or touching the camera.